he asked the question.
Like a cross-disciplinary,
Tell us about you want Dancing with the Stars as well, right?
transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence.
What did I do?
Half Pitbull would be a Pitsu.
How do they know which name goes first? Go.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure. Hey, showcase. Oh, you did? Yes.
Yeah, I became infatuated with art. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
But you have to follow different laws.
You've been in over 150 movies.
Yeah.
Tell me about the
We're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what I'm talking about.
no Lethal Weapon in 1987.
I don't cook. I don't know.
Because I live under. And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking about?
Because I live under the main system. And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
You did comedy showcase. Oh, you did? Yes. All right.
This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
Interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language.